Nintendo Switch Parental Controls include a playtime limit lock that automatically pauses gameplay when the set time is reached. This feature ensures kids stop playing exactly when their allowed time ends. Here's a quick guide to setting it up. Open the Nintendo Switch Parental Controls app on your phone. Go to the Parental Controls section of your app. Select the linked console if you have multiple devices. But if you only have one, just tap on Playtime Limit. Now choose your preferred time limit. This can be up to 6 hours. Then you can also add a bedtime which will make the console sound an alarm when the selected time is reached. After that, you can also toggle on set days individually. Here, you'll be able to set specific time limits and bedtime for each day of the week. This can be helpful when you want to shift the screen time between holidays and school days for your kids. Anyway, once you're done with the changes, hit save at the top, and your Switch will now sync the new Play Lock timer. That's how to quickly set up Play Lock using Nintendo Switch Parental Controls app. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides. Thanks for watching.